What's going on, boys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another episode here at the J&A Life. It's your boy Jerry. So today, guys, we got a crank position sensor. We're changing out on a 2006 Toyota Corolla. So we're not getting a code for this, guys. We're not getting any misfires or anything like that from the car, from the engine, whatever. But we are getting a little bit of an oil leak. And if you guys follow the channel, you guys know we bought this car for $200, pressure washed everything, cleaned everything up with some oven cleaner, which is what I use for engine degreaser. It's cheaper and it works just great. So yeah, guys, I've been finding all the leaks, and one was the variable valve timing sensor or solenoid, and then my wife found the crank position sensor. It's leaking, so we're gonna go ahead and change it out, guys. Also, my wife was able to find this sensor on Amazon, I believe, a lot cheaper, and yeah, guys, it's things like $100, I believe, if you try to buy it in your local parts store. And I told her, I said, just take a chance on this one. It was, $20. All the reviews on it were great, so we went with this one. We're just trying it out, like I told y'all before. This is kind of like a little budget car we bought, and we just been fixing it up on a budget. And yeah, guys, so we're going to get this crank position sensor changed out. If you're not subscribed, go on and hit that subscribe button, and go on and smash that like for your boy while you're at it. But yeah, guys, we'll be back with you in a couple minutes. All right, boys, now that we got the car in here, it's nice and warm in here. Just gonna get gloved up, pause, and I'm gonna try to turn the wheel and see if I can do it without taking the wheel off. The wife told me to try that. She said she believes it could be done. So we're gonna try that first, boys. See what we got. I'm gonna take y'all with me. No, I gotta turn the wheel the other way. Hold on, I'm gonna get set up. All right, boys, so I believe that used to have two 10mm bolts right there, but as y'all can see, we only have one. So I'm gonna get this, I'll try to get this camera set up. If not, I'm just gonna zap that off camera so we can get to this crank position sensor. All right, boys, y'all can see there's a sensor we're after, the crank position sensor. So I got some rags on the floor. There you go, focus. I got some rags on the floor to catch the brake fluid, because I'm just gonna soak this down with some brake parts cleaner. Yeah, if you follow the channel, you guys know I cleaned the heck out of this motor. So, and when I pop the hood here in a little bit, you'll see how clean everything is. So, yeah, guys, that thing's leaking pretty good. But I also believe that that's a accumulation of the leak from up top and this one as well. As y'all can see, it's pretty caked up above the oil pan. So just gonna get all this cleaned up pretty good with brake parts cleaner, and then take it from there. All right, boys, as you can see, got the sensor out. There was a 10mm bolt that went right here, and then one a little further up. There's a bracket. It's right up there where you see that bolt missing. Two little 10mm. And now we're up here. So, let's see here. Set this light up. We've got it unplugged here. And we got the sensor sitting right there. So, got the sensor sitting up right there. All right, guys, kind of did this off camera. It wasn't the easiest task. Honestly, fishing it out and unplugging it back air is the toughest part to do by yourself. And it's Thanksgiving. The wife's in there fixing, dinner and all. So I'm just doing this because it needs to be done. So grind don't stop, guys. But yeah, this is where it plugs up, and it was back behind here. So I just used the flathead and went through in between the intake port like so, hit the clip, got it to unplug, and then just fished it out. Here's the old one. Here's the old one. Oh, bear with me. Bear with me, y'all. All right. And then here's the new one. So we're just gonna take this little clip off, this little bracket where it bolts to the block with that 10mm bolt that I told you I removed. We gotta take that bracket off and put it on this. So, all right, guys, now that we got our clip back on there the way it goes, it's gonna have to fish it in. I'm gonna have to do this off camera, but mind you guys, this isn't a how-to video. This is just content for my channel. So it's for my audience, for my supporters, for my subscribers. So if you watch the video to use it as a how-to, then whatever little bit I show, hopefully it's a help. But it's for my channel and for my subscribers, guys. But sorry that I can't be a little more helpful doing a how-to video, but I just like to keep it real, Not going to make a how-to video on something I'm not sure about. I'm learning myself. First Toyota I've ever owned. So, yeah, guys, I'm just going to get this fished in there as best as I can, and I'll give you guys an update here shortly. All right, guys, so I fished this thing out. It was a pain in the butt. So here's the plug to the new one, and here's the plug to our harness. So I'm gonna try to get this thing plugged up, at least for your own camera here. I don't know. I'll be able to. I'll try. All right, guys, that's going to do it for this video. Sorry I didn't get y'all better content. It's been cold. It was a tricky little job. I didn't have no way to hold the camera and do all that. So, like I said earlier in the video, this is not a how-to video. This is just a little bit of content, letting y'all know, those who've been following the channel, what's been up with the Toyota. I think we got it. That's the last leak. And we put 1,000 miles on it since the last video, which was the variable valve timing solenoid replacement. So yeah, it's hit a little over 1,000. She's still been getting it, so it's been a good car for 200 bucks. But yeah, guys, that'll do it for this video. Thank you for tuning in. Like I always say, love you all. God bless you all. Until the next one, boys, we out.